So I had to file a warranty claim on the trailer.
Yeah, you found loophole.
I found loophole.
You sent me picture. You like, you see trailer? I was like, yeah. You're like, good, because warranty is until you can't see it no more. Shit.
So we're working on my trailer. We're making some logging poles so we can put some logs on here and they not roll off.
It's good.
And we're making some tie downs right here. It's a inside rub rail because the trailer's already legal limit and we can't get it no wider.
He's legal-ish.
Legal-ish.
Legal-ish limit.
The dent might bring it out just a touch.
He's Officer Hoover. You're holding tape measure wrong.
Slide it over a little bit when you when he's over there measuring.
You have to measure from end to board.
Oh yeah, end to board. So we ripped some boards off, and Jason's been kind enough to put a rub rail, or well, it's not really a rub rail, it's more of a chain down rail on the inside. But the main reason he come down here is not to fix this trailer, is it?
This was, yeah.
What was the main reason you come down here for?
Oh, I buy new trailer.
You took all the money I gave you for this thing.
Well, this one, yeah.
This, I mean, who wouldn't have? Talk about a sucker.
I'll tell you what.
You were the first sucker, then I see what you took my money and bought. I'm the sucker.
I learned from you. You showed me what I should do.
Yep.
I did it.
It took you 30 days, and look.
The student has
Look at this.
past the master, yeah.
Look, you don't have to worry about any wood rotting.
No, he's not. It's never going to rot away. I'll tell you what. I give you a good deal.
Good deal?
Yeah.
Trade. It's the same thing. I have more axles, so technically mine's a better trailer. And it doesn't drag the ground when you go up a hill. You've got a 35 foot.
If the township of wherever we are comes knocking, I do not know what you're talking about.
Pavement in Groover.
He's ice scraper.
Ice scraper.
Never ice there in summer again.
You have, was it 30 or 35 foot?
He's 36 and a half feet.
36 and a half feet long asphalt gouger.
Actually, I have 2 feet, but you know.
With extended winch.
Yeah, he's
75 foot of cable.
And look at that freaking hook. I'll tell you what, you know.
You
could
can
anchor a boat with that shit.
haul logs on the weekends or whatever you want.
Yeah.
Pull them right up there.
It's going to start pulling the Yanmars around.
Yanmars.
Yeah, Yanmars around. That's what I'm going to do with it.
That's what I would do if I had a trailer like that.
You know, you could. I give you a good deal.
Good deal?
He's good deal. Good deal 18.
.com.
Yeah. That's where you should go to get all your champion merchandise, yeah? Let'sDig18.com?
Absolutely.
Okie dokie. Is that where you're selling trailer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll be on there next Thursday.
You know warranty's not transferable, right?
That's fine.
Okie dokie.
So you need to hurry up and fix it up before you leave.
That's fine, yeah. I do
Perfect.
that.
Perfect.
I got to do. Yeah.
I love it. I love it. We'll get Jack to cut some new boards for it. 75,000 at least.
You sign, yeah?
Not a penny less.
You sign, yeah?
Yeah.
There's like 175,000.
Oh, I'll put
We put Valvo on front.
Put a sticker on the tongue.
I did that already.
Did you?
Yeah, I got the warranty sticker for you.
What?
He's like a shameless plug, yeah? I made sure I put it on the driver's side so that you always see me in the back. You're like, shit, am I going to clear that corner?
Bam! Who cares? Thumbs up!
You're good!
There we go. I got his branded, and now every time he gets to back up to the trailer and or look out the mirror, he will remember me.
Are you doing this all like my name is on it, is Minecraft?
I have no idea what happened.
It's a good thing mine will fit over.
I have no idea what happened. Hey everyone, I'm finally back from Florida. I wish you could see out the weather window here, but it's just nasty and rainy as it could be here. It was 80 there all week. And we come back yesterday and it was 38 and raining. So I got back from a much needed vacation that I needed. Went down there with, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, it was 5 of us all together. We rented a house for the weekend. Jason Works a Lot came down there, and Brandon with Elite Earthworks come down there, and we had a good old time. We went and saw a few things, went a few places, and we checked out a few of the auctions there. just to see all the. I mean, if you ever go down there, you've got to check out the Ritchie Brothers sale there. You'll never see so much equipment in one place in your life. So I hope you enjoyed all the videos from that. You're probably sick of watching those. They do get a little boring, but it is cool to show off all the equipment that's down there. Met Cameron that Sunday. Just some good people. We had some good laughs, a bunch of good times. So I'm back from that. What's going to go on this week? I don't know. It's supposed to rain every day this week. I wish you could see it. I'll probably pan the camera out the window. It's just raining and cold and just nasty all week. But anyways, don't have a whole lot of footage left over. Haven't worked all week. Pretty much uploaded all the videos I already have. So I'll see what I got going on this week for videos. But I do want to open this. Oh yeah, one more thing. Sorry, all the orders for shirts and everything. They will go out tomorrow. I've been gone for the week, so they've backed up. I'll get those printed off and sent out tomorrow, which will be Monday. So I got this package right here. This is what I've been waiting for. Shooters. Is it Shooter? It's Shooters Option Targets. I'll put a link in the description. Made me a Let's Dig 18 sign, so I've been waiting to unbox this all week. He sent it to me the first day I went on vacation, so it's been sitting here all week long. And let's get this unboxed and check it out. So let's get this opened up here and see what we got. If I can figure out how to open this box. I don't want to scratch it. It's taped really, really well. I've been looking forward to this all week. Okay, let's see. Does that cut across the top? Remember, kids never cut towards you. Cut away from you. Well, hell, it'll probably slide out right there. Oh, we got goodies in here. Let's put that right there. Put the knife away before I cut myself. Oh, what do we have in here? So my camera died right on cue. So let's try this again. I just stuck that back in the box. There's the metal. We got a shirt. Shooters Option Targets. Neat. And we got some stickers. I got some stickers to go with that. So enough of that. Let's go ahead and this is what I'm after. Get this opened up here. So I don't scratch it all up, banging it around here. I need to open the knife back up here. He taped it up good, that's for sure. It's not going to just come apart. Well, this is going to be a long video watching me try to unbox this thing here. Look at this. Now, isn't that cool? I'm going to put it right here. That's where it's going to go, right there. He's even put some little rubber, some little padded protectors on it. There's his card. So get me I'll probably put it right there. Get me a couple nails. Hopefully you can see that. Probably put me a nail right there, and that should hold it up there. I'm excited. I like that. Well, once again, I do appreciate it, and hope everybody has a good week. I'm going to get that hung up here in a minute. And hopefully the rain will not destroy everything this week and we can get something done. And there it is. I think it'll look good sitting right there behind my computer. I can walk in and see it every day. I like it. I like it a lot. Thanks again, man. I appreciate it.